Hello and welcome you all. Myself Dhananjay Patil, lecturer, Kekewag Institute of Pharmacy, Nashik. Today we are going to learn about biomolecules. Firstly we discuss the biochemistry and life. So these are some specification and data. Water, that percentage of total cell weight, water having 70%. The number of types of each molecule, water is 1. So basically 70% in whole body. Inorganic ions, 1%, and there are several 20 types of ions. Sugar and precursor 3%, and there are 200 types of sugars and their precursors. Amino acids and precursor 0.4%. Number of types of each molecules having, these are 100%, 100 of types. Nucleotides and precursor 0.4. Then these are 200 different types of nucleotides and precursors. Lipids and precursors 2%, and 50 of such lipids and precursors are there. Other small molecules 0.2. Then it is approximately 200 other small molecules present in our body. Macromolecules 22%, approximately 5000 macromolecules are present. So these are the chemical composition of one bacterial cell. Organisms, then cell, biochemical components, we have water, inorganic ions, carbohydrate, energy storage, structural component, lipids for membrane storage, hormones, proteins for enzyme structure, movement, signal receptor, hormones transport, nucleic acid for information storage in the form of DNA, information carrier in the form of mRNA, information interpreter in the form of tRNA. So chemistry of life, water, all life forms contain water, organic compounds, nucleic acid, proteins, carbohydrates, fats and lipids. Inorganic elements have some of the bulk elements, which is present in more quantity. Nitrogen, sodium, magnesium, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, potassium and calcium. Trace elements, iron, zinc and iodine. Biochemistry and life, except for water, most of the biomolecules found in the cell are macromolecules. Can be classified into 4 different categories: carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, and nucleic acid. So, rich foods, carbohydrate-rich foods. So we having this type of carbohydrate-rich food: oilseed, maize, soybean, leaf, milk product, burdock, asparagus, and etc. Carbohydrates, like lipids, contain a carbon backbone, but they also contain many polar hydroxyl group or OH group. Therefore, very soluble in water. A biomolecule consisting carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen atom, usually with a biomolecule consisting of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen atoms, usually with a hydrogen atom in a ratio of 2 to 1. Empirical formula CnH2O(n). Starch and sugar are the most important carbohydrate in human diet. Serves for the storage of energy, plays key role in a immune system, fertilization, preventing pathogenesis, blood clotting, and development. Carbohydrates, simple form and complex form. Simple are divided into monosaccharide, disaccharide. Monosaccharides are glucose, fructose, and galactose. Disaccharides are maltose, lactose, sucrose. Polysaccharides having example starch, say, fibers, and glycogen. Carbohydrate structure. So this is a uh, cyclic structure, and this is non-cyclic structure. So this is glucose, galactose, and fructose. So we can see this difference by the position of this hydroxyl group, and here this is different group. And then protein rich foods, in which we having spinach, cauliflower, peas, bananas. In non-veg we having fish, eggs, meat, and dairy products. Proteins and amino acids are the most complex micromolecules of every cell in the body. They are composed of linear polymers called polypeptide, which contain amino acid connected by peptide bond. 20 amino acids are commonly found in protein. These 20 amino acids are linked together through peptide bond, forming peptides and proteins. What's the difference? So, peptide and amino acids are formed by peptide bond. The Chains containing less than 50 amino acids are called as basically peptides, while those containing greater than 50 amino acids are called as proteins. Isn't to build and repair the tissue. It is used for the build and repair of tissue. Proteins, important building blocks of bones, muscles, cartilages, skin, and blood, serve as a fuel source. It provides much energy density as carbohydrate. Amino acids are the building units of proteins. Proteins are polymers of amino acid linked together by what is called as peptide bond. There are about 300 amino acids occur in nature, but only 20 of them occur in proteins, basically in body. Structure of amino acid: each amino acid has 4 different groups attached to alpha carbon, uh, which is carbon next to carboxylic group. These 4 groups are amino group, carboxylic group, hydrogen atom, and side chain, which is denoted by this R. So as we can see, this is hydroxyl group, amino group, and this is hydrogen atom, and this is side chain denoted by R. So it may be anything, aromatic and aliphatic also. These are some of basic amino acids. This is general formula of amino acid. This is glycine, serine, cysteine, phenylalanine. Foods high in fats. So now we move to the lipids. Fatty meats and fish, cheese, butter, avocados, nuts and seeds, and chocolates. Lipids are primarily hydrocarbon structure. A lipid is a biomolecule that is soluble in non-polar solvents, mainly from alcohol and fatty acids combined together by ester linkage. The function of the lipid includes storing energy, signaling, and acting as a structural component of the cell membrane. Lipids have application in the cosmetics and food industry as well as in the nanotechnology also. Lipids are classified as a simple or a storage lipid, which contains neutral fats, and then waxes, conjugated or compound lipids, which contain phospholipids, glycolipids, lipoproteins, and derived lipids. These are basic structure of lipid. It formed by fatty acid, biomolecule, and glycerol molecule, or we call as trihydroxypropane or triglycerol. So simple lipid called as triglycerides or triglycerides. These are lipid structure: stearic acid, folic acid, phospholipids having polar head group and non-polar chain, then glycerol, we call as triacyl glycerol. Vitamins. Vitamins are water soluble vitamins, fat soluble vitamins. So water soluble contains vitamin B group and vitamin C. Fat soluble contains vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. So this is vitamin C called as ascorbic acid, vitamin D3 called as niacin, vitamin A, one of the form is retinol, and vitamin D or cholecalciferol. Thank you so much.